What's up, everyone? In my last video I complained about the amount of tire rub I have with these 64mm OGRC tires. In this video I'll be swapping out the 64mm OGRC tires for these 60mm Batrazzi tires. The adjustable offset wheels from OGRC are some of my favorites. I really like the way they look, but also they make for a quick and easy tire change, as it's only 4 screws to disassemble them. These wheels and tires work really well together. The OGRC wheels fit into the Batrazzi tires bead perfectly. I think it's super frustrating that some brands like Proline seem to be proprietary and you can't fit other brands of tires onto their wheels. I really like the look of these Batrazzi Mud Pro X tires. They remind me of an old school Super Swamper. I'd say this is a much better wheel tire package for this truck. It feels less clumsy on the rocks, and these tires aren't grabbing the body nearly as bad as the OGRC tires did. The Batrazzi tires have a good amount of grip and work really well with the stock foams. The good tires will not make you a better driver. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more from Diamondback RC.